Hey there, busy bees. Mornings can be a rush, but skipping breakfast? No way! Today, I've got 3 delicious and healthy breakfast recipes you can whip up in just 10 minutes. Perfect for those busy mornings when time isn't on your side. Let's get started. Recipe 1. Overnight oats. First up, we've got creamy overnight oats. All you need is half a cup of rolled oats, a tablespoon of chia seeds, half a cup of your favorite milk, and some fresh fruit. Mix everything in a jar, pop it in the fridge, and grab it in the morning. It's ready to go. Healthy, filling, and totally customizable. So good. And no cooking required. Recipe 2. Veggie scramble. Wrap. Next, we have a quick veggie scramble wrap. Whisk 2 eggs, toss in some chopped bell peppers, spinach, and onions. Cook it all in a pan for 5 minutes. Then, wrap it up in a whole grain tortilla. Boom, protein-packed and ready to fuel your day. Hot, tasty, and done in minutes. Recipe 3. Smoothie bowl. Finally, let's do a vibrant smoothie bowl. Blend 1 frozen banana, a handful of mixed berries, and half a cup of almond milk. Pour it into a bowl, top with granola, chia seeds, and a drizzle of honey. It's colorful, refreshing, and loaded with nutrients. This looks too pretty to eat, but trust me, you'll want to dig in. And there you have it, 3 quick and healthy breakfasts, all in under 10 minutes. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss more easy recipe ideas. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.